Welcome to Punjab Technical and Science Academy, Sub-Engineer Civil, Basic Surveying, Set 1. Question number 1. The chain man who drags the chain is called the option B, leather. It's a fact. Question 2. The length of Gunter chain is option D, 66 feet. The total length of Gunter chain is 4 poles, 66 feet. Question 3. A diagonal scale is used to read dimension. Option B, 3. It is used to read lengths with higher accuracy as it represents a unit into 3 different multiple in meter, centimeters and millimeters. The question 4. At the equator, the amount of dip is 0 degree. At the equator, the deep needle rests horizontally so that the angle of dip is 0 at the equator. Question 5. If bearing of line AB is equal to 20 degree and bearing BC is equal to 300 degree, then included angle ABC will be. So correct answer is 100 degree. This is a mathematically answer. Question 6. In a plane table survey, the operation which must be carried out is option A, centering, option B, leveling, option C, orientation. The option D, all of these is the correct answer. All of these, the above options are the steps involved in a plane table survey. Question 7. The vertical distance above or below the datum is called option A, reduced level of point. The vertical distance above or below the datum is called elevated level of point or a reduced level of point. The question 8. During leveling work, the point at which staff is held is called option C, station point is the right answer. It is the point where the staff is held, not the point where the level is set up. The question 9. The point on which both backside and foreside reading are taken is called the option B, change point is the correct answer. It's a fact. The question 10. Difference of level of 2 points across river is determined by the option D, reciprocal leveling. Leveling between two widely separated points in which observations are made in both directions to eliminate the effect of atmospheric refraction and the curvature of the earth is reciprocal leveling. Question 11. The rise and fall method provides check on the option A, backside, option B, interside, option C, foreside. So all of these, the option D is the correct answer. All of these, the rise and fall method provides information regarding all of the above sides. The question 12. Backside on benchmark is 6.5 feet. Reduced level of benchmark is 100 feet. What will be height of instrument? So calculate, and the correct answer is 106.5. Elimination. Explanation. This is a mathematically answer. The question 13. Which of the following level is carried out to establish the benchmark? The option C, flag is the correct answer. It is a leveling that is done to connect benchmark to the starting point of the survey line. The question 14. When several contours coincide, it indicates the option B, vertical cliff. It's a fact. Question 15. When lower values are inside the loop, it indicates the option C, a depression. When the lower value are inside the loops, it always indicate a depression. Question 16. The multiplying constant for the tachometer is generally kept as the option D 100. It's a fact. Question 17. As the distance between the tachometer and staff increases, the staff intercepts. The option B increases. It's a fact. The question 18. Hydrographic survey is carried out to determine the option C discharge. This survey is carried out to determine river and stream discharge measurement. Question 19. The vertical distance through which excavated earth is lifted is called the option A lift. The lift is the average vertical distance between level of excavation and to the place of spreading or heaping. The question 20. The volume computed by the Prismodial method is considered to be the option A approximate. It's a fact. Set 2. The question 1. And invert tape is made of an alloy of the option B nickel and steel. Invert tape are made of nickel and steel alloys. Question number 2. Chain survey is recommended when area is the option D simple and fairly level. This is recommended when area is fairly level. The question 3. Whole circle bearing of a line is 187 degree. Its reduced bearing will be calculate this 180 degree. So the 187 degree minus 180 degree, so 7 degree in southeast. It's a fact. The question 4. Angle between true meridian and magnetic meridian. So the option A declination. The horizontal angle between true meridian and magnetic meridian is called declination. The question 5. The principle of plane table survey is option D is the parallelism. So the plane table survey is based on the principle that lines drawn during plotting always lie parallel to the corresponding lines actually present on the ground. Question 6. Extensively used level instrument is the option B Dumpy level. So Dumpy level is widely used in surveying and construction to measure height difference and is also known as a Y level. So the question 7. Minimum reading on a metric staff is taken. That is option A 5 millimeter. Explanation. The least count or the smallest division that can be read in 5 millimeter because it's a smallest value stuff. The question B8. Benchmark established at the end of day's leveling work is called as the option C temporary benchmark. It is done at the end of day work in the form of fly leveling. The question 9. A point where foresight and backside are taken is called option D change point. Any stable and well-defined object such as boundary stone, curbstone, rail block, etc. is used as a change point. Question 10. A point of known reduced level is called as the option D benchmark. It's a fact. The question 11. Relative movement between the crosshairs and the staff reading is a parallax. Option C. It's a fact. The question 12. The collimation method obtaining the reduced levels of point does not provide a check on the option B intermediate site. There is no check of intermediate site in the collimation method. The question 13. Staff reading is made clear by focusing. Option D is a fact. The question 14. If value of backside is greater than foresight, then it shows rise. Option A, it's a fact. The other name of line of collimation is then it's called as the option C line of sight. Line of sight is line which passes through the optical center of the objective and the intersection of crosshairs. The question 16. The contour interval depends upon the option A, nature of ground, option B, scale of map, option C, purpose of survey. So all of these options, option D, all of these. These are the principles that a contour interval depends on. The question 17. The boundary line of still water in a lake indicates the option B, contour line. A contour line joins points of equal elevation such as mean sea level. The question 18. Stadia constant is also known as the option A, multiplying constant. Stadia or a trigonometer constants are also known as the multiplying constants. Question 19. The rod float measures which velocity of water? Option C, average velocity. It's a fact. The question 20. Irregular area may be computed by an instrument. Option D, by a planimeter. A planimeter calculates irregular figures or area. Set number 3. Question 1. A 30-meter chain is divided into option B, 150 links. It's a fact. Now question 2. In surveying, the measurements are taken in the option D because the vertical and horizontal plane. The measurements are always taken in horizontal and vertical plane. Question 3. The graduations of ring in a prismatic compass, option B, have a 0 at south. The 0 degree of the graduations coincide with the south point of the needle. Question 4. The 3-point problem is solved to perform the option A, orientation. This method is used to orient underground working. The question 5. A staff reading taken on a benchmark or a point of known elevation is called the option B, backside. Staff reading taken on a point of known elevation is called backside. Question 6. The vertical distance above or below the datum is called the option A, elevation of the point. A vertical distance above or below the datum is called reduced level of points or elevation of the point. The question 7. The operation of leveling across any river is called option A, fly leveling. The question number 8. The height of instrument is equal to the option C, reduced level and additionally interside. So this is the fact. The question number 9. Extensively used instrument for leveling is a Y level. Option B, Dampi level is widely used in surveying and construction to measure height difference and is also known as a Y level. The question 10. The minimum reading on 14 long staff is taken. The option D, 1 feet. It's a fact. The question 11. Backside reading is on a point of option C, known elevation. It is generally taken on a point of known reduced level or elevation. The question 12. Removal of parallax may be eliminated by this eyepiece and object glass is focusing. So option D, parallax may be removed by focusing eyepiece and object glass. Question 13. By arithmetically check, we can check accuracy of reduced levels. Option C, it's a fact. Question 14. The vertical distance between two consecutive contours line is called as a contour interval. The option C, contour is interval is the vertical distance between two contours line. Question number 15. When higher values are outside the loop is indicate the option C, a valley. If the higher value are outside the bend, it indicate a valley. Question 16. The stadia diaphragm is provided for measurement. Measuring to show the option B include the angles and option C the distance. So both A, B and C, not A. The option D is the right answer. Question number 17. Multiply constant is generally taken as the 100. Option C. The value of multiplying constant in a stadia constant is generally 100. It's a fact. The question 18. In hydrographic survey, current meter is used to measure. The option C, used to measure the current. This is a fact. The question 19. Hydrographic survey is carried out to determine the option A is area and option B is a volume and option C discharge. So all of these options are applying the option D. All of these is the right answer. Hydrographic surveys measure all factors beneath the water that affect all marine activities. The question number 20. Area of irregular figure is measured by instrument. Option A, pantograph is the right answer. It's a fact. Thanks for watching.